This is what happens to your body when you eat 3 dates per day for 1 week. You'll improve digestion. You'll have more energy. Your brain health will increase. Your bones will become strong. Did you know 2 tablespoons of chia seeds have 5 times more calcium than milk? 3 times more iron than spinach. 100% more omega-3 than salmon. 32% of your daily magnesium. 64% more potassium than a banana. 2 times more antioxidants than blueberries. 41% of your daily fiber. Like, follow, and share so others can heal.